over 50 and thinking YouTube might be too complicated, too techy, or just for younger people. I thought the same thing until I realized YouTube is actually one of the best ways to start building income online in 2025. Hey, I'm Carl. I'm a midlife dad from Ontario, and a health scare a while back forced me to rethink my future. Maybe you felt that same tug, wondering how to create more freedom, flexibility, and options for retirement. Here's the truth. YouTube isn't just possible after 50. It's powerful. And the reason is simple. People buy from people they trust. And nothing builds trust like video. When I posted my first video, it felt awkward. I was just talking into a camera, wondering if anyone cared. But then someone reached out and said, "I feel like I already know you." Well, that's when it clicked. You don't have to perform. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to show up as you. And that's what turns views into sales, into subscribers, into community. Now, here's the simple system that works. Start with your story. What do people already come to you for advice on? That's your topic. Offer a freebie. Build your email list, because email equals income. Create a small digital product. It doesn't have to be big. An ebook, a short workshop, or a mini course. Something that solves a specific problem. Let YouTube feed the loop. Your videos grow your email list grows your business, and everything keeps building momentum. And the best part, you don't need fancy gear. I film with my phone, I edit with simple tools. And YouTube's algorithm works for you, putting your videos in front of people searching for answers, even while you sleep. So listen, if you're over 50 and waiting for a sign to finally start your channel, this is it. Don't overthink it. Start simple. Start with your story. And if you want a head start, I've linked some great resources for you below that walk through the exact steps to grow your channel and start earning. This is your new beginning. Don't miss it. If this video has inspired you at all, be sure to like, share, and smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.